I am a director in my own company and I can withdraw the funds from the company whenever I want to because it's my company, right? Well, wrong. A company becomes a legal entity when it is incorporated with the ROC. All the assets and profits of the company belong to the company, not the directors. Unlike a sole proprietorship, you cannot just withdraw the money from the company account whenever you wish to. Well, but there are legally compliant ways of doing so, of taking out money from your private limited company. There are 5 ways in which you can do so. Remuneration or salary of the director. Remuneration or salary is a deductible expense for the PLC. For a private limited company, there is no limitation on the amount of remuneration or salary you can give to a director. However, it should be reasonable. Instead of giving profits as dividend, it is better to give profits as salary. Do you know that even attending a board meeting online forms part of a quorum? Maximum sitting fee can be payable to a director of rupees 1 lakh. Salary expense of family members. Many a times, family members play a pivot role in the business and they may be shareholders or directors of the company, or they may be just employed in the company. You can pay salary or remuneration to the family members as well. Dividends. Profits earned in the company can be distributed to the directors in form of dividends. Such dividends will be taxable in the hands of the directors. Loan to directors. Yes, a private limited can give a loan to its directors, provided a body corporated does not form part of the share capital of the company did not default in the payments of its loan, and borrowings of such company from bank or financial institution is less than twice its paid up capital or rupees 50 crores, whichever is less. So except these conditions, a director can take loan from a private limited company. So well, these are the 5 ways in which a director can withdraw money from a private limited company in a legally compliant way.